Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What is going on? I hope you are having a fabulous day today. And today, we are going to be talking about NAKD, Naked Brand. I know we've covered it a couple of times on this channel before, but you know, it's about time that we gave you a slight update on it. You guys seem to enjoy the videos. We enjoy making them, and it is a hot topic at the moment. So before we go in, I'd like to remind you all, I'm not a financial advisor, so take everything I say with a pinch of salt. And yeah, if you do enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe, drop a comment, let us know what you thought, and join the Discord. We have our Discord in the description below. You can come, you can speak to myself and Sam, get a personal kind of feel with us. You know, you can just talk to us about things that you don't understand, or you can explain to us things that we may not understand. And we're just trying to form a little community. So with all that being said, without further ado, let's get into the video. So Naked, who are they? So Naked Brand Group is a leading intimate apparel and swimwear company with a diverse portfolio of brands. So basically they own a lot of swimwear, intimate clothing. Basically they're a big kind of clothing chain with a bunch of brands underneath them. Now, what has happened with them? See, now over the past few months, they've gained a lot of traction from short sellers who were trying to massively short the stock, and with this whole short selling thing has come the Reddit army, and there's come the GMEs and your AMCs and your Blackberries and all the rest of it, and they have jumped on board this. And as we can see from the graph here, we have gone from $0.16, so 16 cents a share in December and very early January 2021, all the way up to a high of $3.63. Since then, obviously, it has massively fallen, but we have started to see some consolidation. And granted, it is on a constant downtrend at the moment. However, it is starting to consolidate, and it has been consolidating over the past couple of weeks, as we can see looking at it. We have consolidation here, and obviously there are peaks and there are troughs where there are massive buys, and then there are big sell-offs that follow that. That is par for the course of a stock which is hot, for a stock which a lot of people are talking about. And because a lot of people are talking about it, there has been a lot of worry about whether Naked is dead or not. No, it isn't. We can see from the RSI here, it is borderline. It is now reached oversold on the RSI as we are speaking. So it is oversold. So this points to a very good time to buy in. It is being massively oversold. There was just a buy order that came in. Look, another order for 3,600 shares. These are now whales that are getting involved with this because they can see that this is a good buy. So as we can see from here, there have been a couple of big sell-offs over the past couple of days. Here's one all the way back last week, and then there was another one yesterday. Now, why is this significant? So we have the profit takers who are selling this at the moment, and you know, they're getting it, and it's their money, so it's fair enough to them. You know, you take your money and run, and you take your gains when you can. However, what is significant about this is the recovery it's made. So as you can see here, fell all the way down to 74 cents. However, it then recovered up to $1.13. So there is interest in this stock. This stock is not a dead cat. As we can see, yesterday there was a big sell-off through the post-market and pre-market, and then it carried on throughout the day. However, it then recovered in the pre-market and is now consolidating throughout today as well. We're down very marginally at the moment, down 1 cent. So will this recover over the next few days? Yes, it will. And what can I see it reaching? Well, you've got to be looking at that $1 mark. Can I see it falling much further? No. Can I see it rising? Absolutely. And if Naked come out and they release a PR again, then I can easily see this dollar screaming up past $1, maybe hitting $2, potentially $3 again, dependent on the traction it gets from Reddit and just from Wall Street itself. So from me, this is a massively, massively good buy opportunity. As we've already mentioned, the RSI is borderline oversold. Remember, anything over 70 is overbought, anything under 30 is oversold, or in this case I've got it set to 80 and 20, so it's just whatever you want to set it to. But it's borderline on the moving averages for the 50-day and 21-day. These are both very, very good signals. As like, you can look at these as bands of resistance. As we can see here, is dead on following the 21-day moving average, so we break that, and again you can see it take off slightly. However, with pump and dump stocks, kind of price action doesn't play that much factor in them, in my personal opinion anyways. It may be that's completely wrong, but I don't trust price action that much when looking at pump and dump stocks. And let's not fool ourselves here, NAKD is a pump and dump stock. However, they have got good foundations, they've appointed a new CEO in January, and they are now moving more to e-commerce, which hopefully in the future will bring them higher revenues, and we will see this stock be a solid $1 stock. So even now, I believe this is a good buy. So that's all from me, and yeah, I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.
So the beautiful thing about this channel is myself and Josh have two different perspectives on the stocks, and you all can choose your own opinion, and having two perspectives is always good because it shows you the positives and the negatives of something. Now, what I wanted to add on to this video is that we recently within NAKD, we have had two massive whales, like Shamu-sized whales, jump into NAKD, one of which is Asosa Holdings LLC, which disclosed a 9.9% passive stake. Now, this would not happen if they did not see potential within NAKD. And what I would say is, although Josh predicted this to go $1, potentially $2 to $3, I can potentially see this hitting $3 by summer, because I cannot see these massive whales jumping into NAKD without having, like, just for no reason. And also as well, Streeterville Capital reports in 30G filing a 9.17% stake in NAKD Brands. These are massive companies jumping in and investing within NAKD, and like, they could know something that we don't, honestly. And that is another reason why I think NAKD right now could be a very good buy. Don't get me wrong, right? This is a pump and dump, like Josh said. However, there is a good foundation, as he said. There's an amazing economic foundation with this whole e-commerce thing. And, they could really excel. They could expand their company to the max. And honestly, I think right now NAKD is a very good buy. And I just wanted to add on these little things, because these little things are going to add up and potentially make NAKD a $3 stock by summer. And this is all my opinion. And obviously Josh has got a different opinion to that. However, I wanted to add this on to, like, sort of just as I was editing the video, because I think it's important that the whole picture is shown within these videos. And, having two perspectives on NAKD is amazing. And, you all can decide what you think NAKD is going to do in the not so distant future. With that being said, I hope you have all enjoyed this video. If you haven't, so hit that like button and subscribe for new. It really helps the channel out. And like Josh said, join the Discord server and feel free to have a chat with us, connect with us, and we'll answer any of your questions or queries. With that being said, thank you for watching. This is your boy Sam from my trainer. See you next video on the channel. Take care, everyone.